Guys, what's up? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm gonna show you a new update of Gmail, fresh look. So as you can see, this old update. If you want some new update, you can see over here this icon. Click over here, settings, and try the new update Gmail. Click over here so you can get the new update of the Gmail. So wait a second, it's loading Gmail. Okay, so as you can see, the new feature is this icon is big right over here, and let's go for this. This is the calendar right over here to save the date. And what is that? You can just create a folder for for iPhone, iOS, and this. And this plus option right over here, you can download some extension. Wait a second, I will show you. Yeah, so as you can see, you can just download some extension for your email. So that's what I want to show you, the new feature. If you don't like this new feature, so just go to settings. I don't go to back the previous one. So guys, that's what I want to show you. If you enjoy, make sure to leave a like, comment down below what you think about in this video. How was this new update? And guys, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. And thanks for watching. My name is Khushal and I'm signing off.